Buddhist self-help is an approach to personal development that is based on the teachings of Buddhism. Although Buddhism is a complex spiritual and philosophical tradition, many of its principles can be applied practically to promote well-being and self-understanding. In this video, we'll explore some central concepts of Buddhist self-help: the nature of the mind and suffering, understanding suffering. Buddhism identifies suffering as an inherent part of life, ranging from physical pain to the dissatisfaction caused by impermanence and feelings of incompleteness. Buddhist practice aims to understand and transform the causes of this suffering, not just alleviate its symptoms. Origin of suffering. Incessant desire and ignorance are the primary causes of suffering. This extends beyond material things to include the craving for status and pleasures. Ignorance is the misunderstanding of the true nature of things, which perpetuates this vicious cycle. Practice of mindfulness. Living in the present. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present, focusing on the current moment, which reduces anxiety and enhances life experience. Non-judgmental observation. This involves observing thoughts and emotions without labeling them as good or bad, promoting acceptance and reducing emotional reactivity. How to practice. Mindfulness can be practiced through meditation, applied in daily activities, through body scans, and using attention anchors like the breath to stay focused on the present. The Noble Eightfold Path. The Noble Eightfold Path is a practical framework in Buddhism that guides one toward the liberation from suffering. It consists of positive practices: right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Each aspect interrelates, forming a continuous cycle of spiritual and personal development. Loving kindness. Loving kindness is the practice of cultivating an attitude of kindness and the desire for the well-being of all beings, starting with oneself and expanding to others, including challenging individuals. Compassion. Compassion refers to the ability to feel and act to alleviate the suffering of others. It involves empathy and constructive responses to suffering. Compassion fosters human connection and emotional well-being. Impermanence. Everything is transient. Accepting impermanence reduces attachment to temporary circumstances and facilitates detachment. Detachment. Letting go of attachments to people, objects, and outcomes promotes emotional freedom and less suffering by accepting reality as it is. Meditation. Concentration. Meditation aims to calm the mind and develop concentration through focusing on the breath, leading to mental stability and stress reduction. Insight. Insight meditation focuses on observing sensations to understand the nature of the mind and reality, promoting wisdom and reducing attachment. Practicing meditation and cultivating an understanding of impermanence and detachment can improve stress management, interpersonal relationships, and mental clarity. This leads to a more peaceful, balanced, and meaningful life, transforming your relationship with the world and yourself. These are some of the principles of Buddhism that can transform your life and help you find more peace and balance in your daily life. The practice of mindfulness, the understanding of impermanence, and the cultivation of compassion are powerful tools to deal with the challenges of modern life. Remember, the path to a fuller life begins with small steps and conscious decisions. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insights and practices that can make a difference in your journey.